Now I want to tell you that how we say that the given number is a complex or purely real or purely imaginary. If I write few complex numbers like z is equals to 3 plus 4 iota. Z is equals to 3 plus 4 iota. We say this 3 is the real part. This is the real part of the complex number and 4 is known as the imaginary part of the complex number. Because the coefficient of iota, it is known as the imaginary part, IP in short we say, and 3 is its real part. Because every complex number z is always in the form of a plus iota b, where a is the rp real part, b is ip imaginary part. So if a complex number is given, we can find the real part, we can find its imaginary part. The next question is that if somebody says if z is equals to 3, only 3, is it a complex number? It is not a complex, it is purely real number. So how to convert this 3 in the complex number, that is in the form of a plus iota b? I can write 3 as 3 plus 0 or can be written as 3 plus 0 iota. So what become? Z become 3 plus 0 iota. Meaning by we can say 3 is the real part, 0 is the imaginary part. So in a complex number, if real part is not 0 and imaginary part is 0, then such a complex number is known as purely real. In case if z is a complex number given as 4 iota, I am finding here if I compare this 4 iota with a plus iota b, here answer of b is 4, meaning by imaginary part is 4 and real part is missing. Such a number is known as purely imaginary. If I want to write it in the form of a complex number, it will be 0 plus 4 iota. That's why 0 is the real part Rp, 4 is the imaginary part. So conclusion is that if the real part of a complex number is 0, it is purely imaginary, and if imaginary part of a complex number is 0, it is purely real. So this way we can find, we can associate that which numbers are absolutely complex, which are purely real and which are purely imaginary. Now I want to share with you two important, very important things of the complex numbers. One, if z is a complex number, say for example it is 5 minus 12 iota. So what is its conjugate? Conjugate of a complex number, that is conjugate of number z. It is symbolically given by z bar. And to find the conjugate of a complex number, what we need to do, we just need to change the sign of imaginary part. So here z is 5 minus 12 iota. So z bar, that is conjugate of z, will be 5 plus 12 iota. So finding of the conjugate of a complex number is what? That is converting or changing the sign of imaginary part. If I ask you to find the conjugate of this complex number again, what we will say? Z bars bar, that is double conjugate. So again the procedure is to change the sign. So this become 5 minus 12 iota. 5 minus 12 iota is again a complex number, that is the same. Hence a rule comes that z bars bar, that is the double conjugate of any complex number, we get back again the same complex number. So this is very important and useful result, that if the double conjugate of any complex number is obtained, we will find the same number again. In case if I say z is a complex number given by 0 plus 7 iota. So what will be z bar? Z bar will be minus of 7 iota. So what is the relation here? The relation is z is equals to minus of z bar. So this conclusion gives if the conjugate of a complex number is negative of original number, it means what? That number is purely imaginary. Similarly, if I write another number represented by z, suppose it is 3 plus 0 iota. So what is z bar? Z bar is given by 3 minus 0 iota. So what happens here? This is z, this is z bar. We are tracing that z and z bar are equal. So conclusion comes from this relationship that if the conjugate of a complex number is same, then it means that number is purely real. So three very important conclusions are coming. That is, one of the conclusion is that double 2 times the conjugate of a complex number, we get again the same complex number. Second thing, if the z bar's negative is equals to z, then the number is purely real. And if z and z bar are same, we say that the number is purely real. And finding of conjugate means we need to change the sign of imaginary part only.